This here is my review of the AULA LED backlit gaming keyboard, and it's being sold right now for $29.99 on Amazon, free shipping with Prime, free 2-day shipping with Prime, and it's cool. It has some Chinese words down here. I don't know what they say. I know I'm Chinese, but I don't know what it says. Anyway, it's pretty cool because it lights up. You hold down this function button and then you press 8 on the number pad. You can make it brighter and you can make it do this. It fades in and out. Fades in and out. And then you can change colors as well. Let me change this setting. And you hit 5. It's red. It's like looks kind of like Knight Rider Tronish. Ooh, purple is nice too. And blue. And then the only problem I have about this keyboard is that it when you're staring at your screen and you can see this in your peripheral vision down here, it's like a flicker. It's like flickering. I don't know. I guess maybe because the refresh rate is possibly different from the refresh rate of LED lights. So I think it causes a flicker. It's weird. It's distracting. It's a flicker in your peripheral vision. So I don't actually like to use the light at all. But it looks really cool. It looks really nice. I like to have it on the lower setting. Red is neat looking. Looks like Knight Rider. Purple's cool. Blue's nice. Yeah, I think there's 2 types of blue. Maybe 1. Yeah, just 1 type of blue. Anyway, it's a cool keyboard that I would probably never use with the light on. But the keys are pretty quiet and soft. It's a nice keyboard. I wish this this grip pad was more over here because it doesn't make sense. Maybe it makes sense if you play some kind of game that uses the number pad, but if you're typing like I do and you're like, pretend I have my other hand is here and this hand here, this doesn't have the grip pad. Alright, that's my review.